The risk of stroke is becoming younger, and you might be in the higher risk group without realizing it. Today, not only older adults but also people aged 40 to 60 are facing an increasing risk of stroke. According to the American Heart Association, the stroke rate in people under 60 has risen by 40% over the past 2 decades, a truly alarming number. What causes this? The first is our modern lifestyle. Consuming too many processed foods, sitting for long periods, lack of physical activity, and chronic stress. In addition, there are silent health conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes, which often show no clear symptoms in the early stages, but quietly damage blood vessels in the brain. Have you ever experienced prolonged headaches, occasional numbness in your hands or feet, dizziness when standing up, or unexplained sleep disorders? These could be early signs, warning of a possible stroke, especially if you are over 50 and have at least one of the following factors: smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, lack of physical activity, or belly fat. Your stroke risk is significantly higher than average. But here is the good news. Even a small change in your diet can significantly reduce this risk. What matters is this: just one small change in your daily meals can make a big difference to your vascular health, and from there, help prevent stroke more effectively. Here are 6 familiar and natural foods that can help regulate circulation, reduce inflammation, and strengthen blood vessels. These are all key factors for maintaining a healthy heart. First on the list is garlic, a quiet friend in the kitchen but a powerful protector of cardiovascular health. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound that helps lower blood pressure, prevents platelet clumping, and steadily reduces inflammation in blood vessels. According to recommendations from Mayo Clinic, just 1 raw clove of garlic a day can create a natural shield for your arteries. If the strong taste makes it difficult for you to eat raw garlic, try black garlic or garlic soaked in honey. These are gentler but still effective alternatives. Notably, salmon is considered golden nutrition after the age of 50. Rich in omega-3 EPA and DHA, salmon helps soften blood vessels, reduce systemic inflammation, and prevent clot formation. Gently steamed with green vegetables or baked with a few slices of garlic and lemon, it offers a simple yet nutrient-rich meal for a healthy heart. A pleasant surprise is avocado. Not only creamy and aromatic, avocado contains monounsaturated fats, potassium, and vitamin E, which help lower bad cholesterol, stabilize circulation, and ease pressure on blood vessels. 1 slice of avocado on toast at breakfast is a small daily gift for your cardiovascular health. We cannot forget turmeric, the natural bodyguard of the herbal world. Curcumin in turmeric fights inflammation, prevents blood clots, and reduces arterial plaque buildup, helping to stabilize overall circulation. A warm glass of turmeric milk before bed, mixed with a pinch of black pepper, not only supports healthy blood flow, but also helps you sleep deeper and more peacefully. Green vegetables like spinach and kale are powerful allies in keeping arteries clean. They contain vitamin K, lutein, and antioxidants that improve vascular elasticity, lower blood pressure, and reduce bad cholesterol. A simple plate of steamed greens or a salad with olive oil is a natural daily medicine for your blood vessels. And finally, walnuts, small in size but packed with powerful nutrients. Just 5 to 7 walnuts a day can provide omega-3, magnesium, and fiber, helping to regulate blood pressure, prevent platelet clumping, and enhance memory. Enjoy them on their own or sprinkle over salads and oatmeal for a tasty morning blessing for your circulation. Not only do these foods help prevent blood clots, but they also serve as loyal companions in maintaining heart health, preserving physical well-being, and allowing you to enjoy a more fulfilling life. Did you know? Not every dish that looks delicious is truly good for your blood vessels. According to warnings from experts at Harvard Health, processed meats, fried foods, and excess salt are considered silent killers for the circulatory system. Especially for those over 50, these types of food not only cause inflammation within the blood vessels, but also make the blood thicker, increasing the risk of clot formation. The more frequently they are consumed, the more silently your vessels are damaged, and when complications finally arise, it may be too late to turn back. If possible, try to gradually reduce or eliminate items like sausages, French fries, and sugary soft drinks from your daily meals. Instead, opt for steamed, boiled, or lightly grilled dishes that retain their flavor while remaining safe for your heart. Do not let seemingly harmless eating habits silently erode your health day by day. You do not have to change your lifestyle overnight. By starting with very small but consistent actions each day, you're already building a strong personal barrier against stroke. For example, today, add a bit more green vegetables or a small clove of garlic to your meal. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day, especially plain or warm water. And if possible, spend 15 to 20 minutes in the afternoon taking a light walk, whether in the park, around your yard, or even just through your living room. These small actions, when repeated daily, will gradually improve blood circulation, reduce vascular inflammation, and lower the risk of blood clot formation. Think of them as a loving gift you give to yourself each day. Blood clots do not spare anyone. But the wonderful truth is that we can absolutely take charge of prevention, starting right in our own kitchens. By choosing the right foods, maintaining simple daily habits, and most importantly, caring deeply about your own well-being, you can live with more peace of mind, better health, and greater joy each day. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with your spouse, your parents, or a close friend, because sometimes just one healthy meal today could protect a stronger tomorrow. And how about you? Among the 6 foods that support vascular health we shared today, which ones have you already tried? Leave a comment below so we can all learn from each other and grow healthier together, one day at a time. And if you enjoy gentle, easy to understand, and science-based insights like this, subscribe to the channel and join us each day with new videos, helpful, practical, and made to support your health.